So this is my Kawasaki V-twin, currently installed in an Argocat, but commonly found in old Kawasaki ride-on mowers. This is an oil pressure test after a semi-rebuild on this engine. So we're going to try cranking it over without it starting up to start with, because I'm currently running with no water pump, no exhaust or even an exhaust manifold. I'm just trying to get an idea of oil pressure after shimming up the oil control valve. So I'm going to crank the engine and hopefully it won't start straight away. I'm not using any choke and it's a very cold day, so that's what we're hoping. If it does fire up, then it's not a disaster. So I'm trying to crank and record the pressure gauge at the same time. So here goes. Ignition on. Press the cooling fan for the brakes. Sounds like it's fired up without any choke. We're looking at about 65 psi. Not too bad. While she's running, oil pressure, not bad. Okay, I think we're running too high on oil pressure there. I think that touched 100 psi, which is way too high. I'm going to have to strip it apart again and remove my shims. Thank you.